Hello, it's Monica, and it is time for week 14 of Mintay Papers challenge, and this week's theme is clean and simple. I'm going to use winter time collection, and I created the sketch that you can use for any occasion. First, I've got 5 by 7 inches card blank, and we're going to create some mats and layers. My challenge today was to use brown and white only for that clean and elegant look. And to be honest, this card took me 10 minutes to create, so if you like quick card sketches, this video is for you. The brown card measures 4 3/4 by 6 3/4 inch. I'm going to assemble it, and then I decided to use an embossing folder from my stash, and all the elements are going to match. And here is the one, you've probably seen it before. It is my favorite. If you've never used embossing folders or would you like to give it a go, I do encourage you to try them out. Now I've got a panel measuring 4.5 by 6.5 inch, and I'm going to assemble the panels. As you can see, the sketch on the left, you can use it for any occasion. And trust me, these cards will be super simple and quick to make. Now I've got a brown rectangle measuring 3 by 4.5 inch, and the white panel is 2 3/4 by 4 1/4 inch. I'm going to assemble it, and my challenge today was to actually make sure all the elements are going to match. So with the embossing folder, I just measure it a little bit, and the pattern will be continuous, which I think is really cool. And as you can see in the top left corner of our card sketch, there is another panel. So let's create it. It is 1.5 by 2.5 inch, and the white one is 1 1/4 by 2 1/4 inch. And again, I'm going to place it on the card so the background continues, which I absolutely love. Do you like to create clean and simple cards? Please let me know in the comments down below. Now I'm going to use some beautiful elements from that winter time collection from Mintay Papers. If you'd like to check the description down below, I left the link to Facebook where you can share your makes for Mintay Papers, and I do encourage you to do so. As I told you, this card is super simple to create, and you can use that card sketch for any occasion, which I think is really cool. And what's missing here is the sentiment, and I'm going to use some paper stickers from Mintay Papers. I'm going to choose one of them, and I'm going to use the brown card again, so all the elements are going to match. Have you ever used those stickers from Mintay Papers? These are absolutely fabulous. I really love them. Now I'm going to use my scissors to cut the excess off, and then I can put the skis later on. I really wanted to make sure the sentiment actually fits really well before I add that last element. And as you can see, I'm not going to add any gems or pearls today because I think for this clean and simple look, this is enough. How often do you create those cards? Please let me know in the comments down below. And there is plenty of space to write your message inside, and the card stands proudly on a flat surface. And don't forget, this is week 14. Clean and simple for Mintay Papers. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And see you in my next video tomorrow. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting.